Hi, this is Kevin Tharp, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to walk you through how to use the Microsoft Office 365 version of Excel in order to do some of the projects where you will have to be downloading Excel files and then manipulating them within Microsoft Excel. So this is especially important for those of you that don't have the Windows version of the app. So this is accessible to everybody. So what you would do, and I'm going to be using the Module 2 SAM Critical Thinking Project C as the example here. So the first thing you would do is you would click on that and it would bring you into MindTap. I'm going to jump straight to where you go. You go in and start the file. And then what you need to do is you need to download all these files. And so what you need to do is save them somewhere where you're going to be able to find them. I'm saving them to the downloads folder. And so there's two files in this case that you need to save. One is instructions and one is an Excel file. So you will need to work in this Excel file um, and then turn in that same file, and the directions of what you need to do are in the instructions, but you have to work in this file or it's not going to grade it. So once I have downloaded those, what I need to do is I need to come into any application that is part of Microsoft Office 365. Um, and you need to find this app launcher that always sits up here. And from there, you choose Excel, and then Excel will launch. Well, once you're in here, you need to make sure that you've got access to those files that you just downloaded. So I'm going to go to My Content here, and then I'm going to click on this button here, and I'm going to choose Upload. When I go to Upload, I'm going to choose the files that I'm going to be working on. I'm going to choose this one for now, just so that you can see where this is. So it's going to upload that file, and then you're going to have access to it. So you will now be in here, and it make sure it's got your name. This is why you have to use the exact same file, because there is metadata within here. And that metadata has to be intact when you turn it in order for them to grade it. But then once you're in here, you'll have access to do whatever you need to do in that assignment using the Microsoft Office 365 version of Excel. And again, that is browser based, so you don't have to install anything on your computer. And that's the path forward for doing some of these exercises where you have to download the Excel spreadsheet and then work on it.